good morning, good morning. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Just showered, I have under eye mask on. I painted a second layer of polish on my nails. I'm using the OPI color Spare Me a French Quarter, just this bright pink. I thought it would be appropriate for Mexico, bright colors, and then I can bring it with me so I can touch up. Also, before I forget, I'm all over town. This is the hair mask that I'm using, Pureology Superfoods. Of course, I already have my backup. As soon as I get like halfway through, I purchase a backup because I just can't risk running out. Made myself a second cup of coffee. So I do have a few more things that I need to do, and I'm thinking I might actually vacuum again. Whoever said that Golden Doodles don't shed is a complete liar. We've got our spring little music going, Sades. We have tufts of hair like this, and we have these all over the house. I mean, just right here, here's another one, there's another one, there's another one, there's another one. And it's even worse under all of our furniture. It's crazy. In other news, yesterday I was venting about how my freaking videos won't upload. So I canceled all but one video, just the one that goes up next, which was supposed to go up today. However, it's unfortunately not gonna go up today, but it was 98% done uploading like 2 hours ago, which is amazing. So it's gonna have to go up tomorrow, but I'm really excited. So yeah, I'm just gonna be one day late for that. And then hopefully, the internet at the hotel in Mexico is going to be strong enough where I can upload it. So that was my issue when we went to Mexico last time and why I missed several upload dates, because I was trying to upload this single video the entire time there, and every time it would get to like 98, 99%, it would freaking time out. I was about to lose it. I was getting so angry with that because I was like, oh my gosh, yes! It took like 2 days to get here, and then it just times out right as it's like on the brink of uploading. It was so frustrating. Gonna have a green juice and a ginger shot, not the usual pressed juice, but the Suja ones that I got from the supermarket earlier this week. So we're gonna take a ginger shot. This one is not nearly as potent as the pressed juice one, so it's not very difficult to take. But I just need to take this and drink my green juice because I feel so unhealthy. I can't even describe it. I just feel heavy, lethargic, and not like, oh, in like an overweight way, but I mean, I just feel like dragged down. I feel lethargic. I'm not sleeping very well. I just feel kind of, yeah, like, I'm used to, you know, my ginger shots, my kombucha. Oh, I need to get my kombucha. Green juice and actually eating veggies. I don't think I've had any vegetables in like a week. And that is incredibly unlike me. I feel like I've been living off of carbs, which has been very tasty, but I just feel very gross. And it's also concerning that we're about to go to Mexico and eat more unhealthy food and then probably drinking. Anyway, cheers. Honestly, it tastes like orange juice. I have not tried this one. So this is the Suja Organic Cold Pressed Uber Greens. Cucumber, celery, grapefruit, green chard. What is a chard? Lettuce paired with lemon, kale, spinach, parsley, and mint tea. Whole lot of ingredients here. Let's give this a go. It smells good. Tastes similar to Greens 3 from Pressed. Yeah, I mean, this is a good alternative if I can't make it to Pressed. This is the ankle ice pack thing that I bought. So, oh no, don't stick to yourself. Don't do it. So at the top, this is where the ice pack thing goes. And then this basically just like wraps around your foot, and that's your foot in there. And then just has like different straps and whatnot to attach it. So unfortunately it is sticking to everything, but we have one that I think just goes up and then two that go around the sides. So let's see if the ice pack thing is done freezing. I mean, it's mostly frozen, but I guess I should probably wait for it to completely freeze. Hi, Sades. Guys, I just got, oh gosh, okay. I clipped back my hair while I was getting ready. That was not a cute look. And I'm trying to put on my shoes because I need to take the pups to their boarding facility because drop off ends at 3 o'clock and it's an hour away, and I don't want to cut it too close. I'm trying to put on my shoe, but I have this brace thing on, and I mean, I don't know how much bigger I can make this. I mean, I don't even know that I'm gonna have enough room to like tie the shoe. Oh my gosh. Oh no, I feel like this is gonna stretch out, but I can't not wear a shoe. Okay, I feel like we're almost there. Ugh. Okay. I'm actually very nervous that I'm gonna stretch out these shoes. You guys, this video has finally finished uploading, and this one that has been failing to export, I think 6 or 7 times, has finally finished exporting. I'm so excited. Heading to the boarding facility. We've got the pups in the back. They hate cars, but they're gonna be so excited once they realize where we're going. Every time I pull into the parking lot and they know where we are, they are so excited. It's like I don't exist anymore. They have all of their best friends there. The pups, they know majority of the pups that go there because there's kind of like a core group. They know all of the employees, and we get them the all-day play package. So basically from the time that they wake up until they go to bed, they're outside with all the other pups. They're pretty much at a dog park all day. And obviously that is just the best thing in the world for them. They have so much fun. And then at night we have a combined room for them. So they get to sleep together, and then we bring their beds, snacks, food, toys, all of that jazz. So in their little combined bedroom, they have all of their own stuff. So comforts of home, you know? Oh yeah, we're so excited. We're so excited. The pups figured out we were here pretty quickly. And as soon as we got out of the car, they were just both pulling me, yanking towards, you know, the entrance. And I don't know what it just did. I felt like a pop in my foot, and now it hurts even more than it did before. I'm getting really, honestly stressed about Mexico. I don't know how I'm going to be on my feet all day and walking around. I'm honestly starting to feel like I need crutches. And not like trying to be dramatic or anything, but it really hurts and I could push through, like really I could. But the issue is that each day that I push through and I continue walking, it hurts even more the next day. I feel like I need crutches to just stop furthering the injury and so it can actually heal. I've never sprained anything. I've never broken anything. Like, this is the most serious injury I've ever had. I mean, it's not all that serious, you know, but it is to date the most serious one I have had. I guess I'm also somewhat panicking because although this is, I don't know, maybe somewhat of a minor injury, I just have no experience with injuries that I'm like, am I going to die? If I continue walking on it, are we going to need to amputate? In my mind, that's where it's going. Logically speaking, I feel confident that amputation is off the table, but I'm getting so in my head and worked up about this that I'm like, this is going to lead to it. I'm pulling into a complex with a Chipotle. It's not healthy, you know, but it's definitely better than anything I have at home, because at home my options are toast, hash browns, and pasta. So yeah, this is at least an improvement from that. I also got a notification that an Amazon package that I ordered came in, which is excellent because it was also one of those last minute purchases that I was really hoping would arrive before we left. I ordered it like 2 days ago and it came. I'll show you guys when I get home. Chipotle, and apparently I'm in burrito loading zone, so I gotta go be quick because I did not pre-order. No line, in and out. Isn't it just your favorite when you can just walk in, walk straight up, order, get your food, and be out of there? Just got home with my Chipotle, so I get brown rice, black beans, 3 scoops of medium salsa, sour cream cheese, and guac. So it's basically kind of a bean dip. And then I got chips. I feel so ill. What have I done? You guys, I was watching Gals on the Go podcast on YouTube. Oh my God. I don't feel good. I don't feel good. You guys saw how much food was in this bowl. An entire bag of chips. I ate everything. I feel like the food has completely filled my stomach, and I feel like it's here on my throat. Like I feel like I have piled it all the way up that there's not even room in my stomach. I haven't finished my kombucha yet. I need to finish it. We need the digestion to be happening. This is exactly why they say you should not watch TV and eat, because you don't pay attention to when your body's full and you are just like blindly eating and you overeat. I mean, talk about overeating. This was like 2 to 3 meals worth of food. This is not good. I need to get all those things that I have charging, pack them in my bag, and then, oh my gosh, I have to cut all the vinyl. Oh no, I have to cut all the vinyl, I have to cut all the vinyl, I have to cut all the vinyl. Oh, my Amazon package is outside. Okay, I need to go get that. Okay, I got the boxes. All right, so I ordered 4. Wait, maybe that's what's in the other box. Aha, number 4. So I have my white cowboy boots, and then I ordered 4. Which way? I feel like the string goes in the front. 4 cowboy hats. And they have all these little like sparkly things on it, and then I don't want to take it out now, but it has like a little button, and all along the rim this all lights up, so it's like a shiny light up cowboy hat. We have 4 of the exact same hat, that way all of us gals can match, and I'm actually quite excited about it. And then I also got 2 4-packs of, why is everything taped closed? Why can't they just let us open our purchases with ease? I don't know if this is entirely what I ordered, but that's fine, it works. So, in both of them, there are 2 2-packs in each box, so I have 4 of each. And then they put them in these bags. How are you supposed to access anything? They are those little clips that you put on towels, on like to hold up your towel on like resort chairs. I did it. Okay, I got the clips in here, and I have everything in here now. And then this is Darren's hat. It's actually kind of crunchy. It's like a nice quality one. I didn't realize they were so crunchy. And then my purse. My carry-on is basically the hats, phone charger, my AirPods, and my camera. Pretty much what's gonna go in there. Okay, we are back in the craft room. So I am going to need to cut everything now. And so I'm gonna just do it all at once, or probably 2 different sets, but I've got 12 by 24 inch vinyl, so I'm gonna use my 12 by 24 inch mat so that I can just get this going and send it to the Cricut. So unfortunately, in my mother-in-law's list, we are missing a good number of people's little slogans. So I'm trying to make up people's slogans right now, and I'm feeling like, probably because I'm under pressure, I'm just not feeling very creative right now, and some people's slogans are really good, some people's slogans are not. I'm gonna try to Google it, but anywho, that's the update. I need to get this going, and then because I need to transport it, I guess I'm not gonna weed them, so I'm just gonna cut them all and bring the rolled up vinyl. And then I guess I have to bring my weeding tool. And I was gonna put this in my carry-on, but obviously this is gonna get confiscated. So I need to put this in my checked bag, measuring tape. Okay, so we're gonna bring those. you know, I'm nervous about this. I'm real nervous, but you know, we're doing what we can. We're flying by the seat of our pants, and however it turns out is going to be better than not having a shirt. It's been over an hour. I finally figured out everyone's names, the sizing, everything. So I have to cut it in 2 different batches. So the first batch is just getting started. Oh my gosh, we almost knocked multiple blades onto the ground. Oh my gosh, I hope that this turns out well. I had to come up with everything by myself, and honestly, I feel like I did a good job. I'm actually really proud of what I did. So I'm hoping everyone loves it. Oh my gosh, I just finished. I wrapped them all up, put an extra piece of vinyl around so I could tape it. My Uber, I scheduled a Lyft, not an Uber. That gets here in 25 minutes. Oh, I have to reopen my suitcase again to pack these. Let me tell you guys what all of the names are. The first one is Family Concierge, and the little slogan is in-room services not included. And then Family Wrangler, manhandling heifers since 1994, because he's a rancher. And so he actually does only work with heifers, which is young cows, who have not had a calf yet. But you know, it sounds kind of, you know, like that's quite literally what he does. But yeah, it sounds a little. And then Family Event Planner, events, but a lot snazzier. Family Bob the Builder, you briefly mention it, I'll build it. Family Therapist, fixing one crisis at a time. Family Promoter, making everyone look good. Family Muscle, you can't ban these guns. And family DJ double D. This D ... J ain't free. You know, cause yeah, some songs, I know this thing ain't free. I'm gonna pay for it. Is that Big Sean? Is that Drake? What song is that? Anyway, pulled inspo from that. So yeah, I feel like this is pretty good. I'm very happy with it. And hopefully everyone likes theirs. I keep feeling like there is a typo in here. And I mean, I haven't seen evidence that there's a typo. I just feel like pressure that we're gonna put these all on a shirt and then realize that I misspelled something. I keep rereading it and it looks fine, but we do not have time to sit and try to find it. Do we have, yes, we have tape. And actually I need to bring tape because I brought some decorations and we're gonna need to tape it up. Okay, so we're bringing the measuring tape, we're bringing the actual tape, we're bringing the vinyl, we're bringing scissors, we're bringing the weeding tool, and then, no, we're just gonna have to do without parchment paper. I can't bring parchment paper too, can I? I'm bringing parchment paper. Thank you guys again so much for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget, subscribe below, gives you a big thumbs up, and get excited because the next few vlogs are going to be in Mexico at Crash My Playa, and I am so excited to be bringing you guys along. It's going to be fantastic, and I also will show you guys the shirts. Hopefully they will look good. Pray for me, but I'm so excited. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Talk to me.